Hey everybody, it's Michael here with michaelbruchet.com, and I thought today I would make a quick little video for you to help you just really get the understanding of being solid over the golf ball. And it's the door frame analogy again. So you've got your door frame, your athletic stance, and you've got your header, which is your shoulders, and you've got the sill on the floor here where your feet are posted, and you've got your two jambs on the side here and here. Now, you've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 corners. And the easiest thing to remember is once you've got your grip really dialed in, and we've talked about this many times, is that when that grip is solid and you go ahead and turn into this position here, so the turn is going to look like this. My position here is what's going to allow me to get the club back to the golf ball is because I'm rotating this hip here into that ball and I'm posting to a solid left side. So you can see that when I post, all I'm doing is rotating around and through. I'm not going outside that door frame. I'm not laterally shifting outside the door frame on this side. The action is going to be from center, back to center, but when I get to center, this left side's already cleared out of the way. And then I just finish that swing. So whether I'm hitting, and a really good drill for this is take your 5-iron, or sorry, your 6-iron, and do a half swing. So you just set up to here, you get back into this position, feel that load. Once you've loaded, start turning the lower body and get that club through. You're going to be able to hit controlled golf shots better. This controlled golf shot is going to allow you to hit a low, to hit a high, hit a fade, or hit a draw. Whatever you are trying to do with that club, you're going to be able to do it a lot simpler. So back and through. And I think you'll find that when you hit the course, keeping that door frame always in that position, that athletic stance, is going to allow you to deliver the club a lot more consistently to the golf ball.
Hey, it's Michael here, and thank you so much for watching my video. I love talking golf, talking about the mind, the body, the balance, the physical aspect, the swing, building equipment, all the things that go along with playing this great game. If this is something that you appreciate and enjoy, please hit the subscribe button below. If there's a topic that we haven't covered yet, or I haven't discussed, or would like more detail for that, please go ahead and click in the message box and send me a message with your question, and I'll be happy to answer it. Or even better, we'll make a whole video on it. And if you like this video, please hit like and make sure you share it with all your other friends that are playing golf as well. I'll talk to you soon on the next video. Be blessed and have a great day.